The most important factors in kitchen design. There is nothing in life quite as thrilling as declaring a budget and giving yourself the license to create yourself a brand new kitchen design, so that your house will possess the perfect kitchen that you've been dreaming of for years. Well, we're very happy for you. However, there are a lot of things that you need to consider whilst planning this new perfect room. That's why we're here to help you with our tips on essential aspects of the perfect kitchen design, which will answer any questions that you may have. Price, it's that dreaded word that no one involved in interior design really wants to hear, but it's hard to get around the importance of working out your budget. Needless to say, sticking to the said budget is just as important. Failing to do so could lead to a variety of consequences, such as debt, repossessed children, or even more importantly, that kitchen never getting finished. Always be brutally honest with yourself over exactly how much you can afford, otherwise you'll inevitably end up costing yourself more money in the long run, plus you'll likely end up with a half-finished kitchen that looks worse than the one you started with.